V8 Volvo power, I guarantee you. With 108 to the 8 mile, 114 to the quarter.
You're from Sweden, right?
Yep.
How appropriate that you're racing a Volvo in drag week. Now, the license plate says V8. Is this LS?
Yeah, it's an LS.
What LS is in this?
It's a 6.0 LS.
Now, how long have you had this together? I don't think I've seen this in person yet.
4 days.
4 days? So you put this together and brought it to drag week.
Yep.
So you're kind of going to do like a trial by fire type of thing, see how it goes?
Yeah. We did 3 passes with it, that's all we have done. We haven't really tuned it, just did 3 test passes.
How did those passes go?
Went better than expected. It was license passes, so we couldn't go flat out, so we did 10.06.
10.06?
Yeah, 143.
Very cool. What other type of goodies do you have in this thing? I assume it's got a pretty hefty looking cage, so.
It's a 850 cage.
850 cage?
Yeah, it's a 49-inch rear.
Okay.
And it's a TH400, and yeah, the engine it's a stock bottom end with just some goodies in the heads, 80mm turbo, and yeah, some camshafts and stuff. It's nothing fancy really.
Nothing fancy. You sound like a real American saying all this, because all the LS guys I say is turbo, 9-inch, and nothing too fancy. So I mean,
it's some good stuff in there. It's a fuel tech in it and some other things. So
okay.
Keep an eye on it.
It looks badass. Like even with the hood down and just sitting here, it's a badass car. And is this your first drag week?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Well, you're in for a real treat. It's a lot different scenery and different cars on the road for sure. So we'll have fun. Good luck to you, man. Good chatting with you.
Thanks.
Nice.
Orders was 982-142 as.
So how's the Volvo doing on the drive? Pretty good?
Just good, no problems.
Yeah? You probably got some decent tires on the back, huh?
Yeah, I drive radials.
That's good enough.
Yeah. We have a pretty low gearing, so it's fine on the highway.
Cool. Well, we're gonna hit the road and go to sleep.
Yeah, right.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you around.
All the way from New Jersey.
Nice.
Have you ever had Swedish fish?
Yep.
Okay. So I couldn't find them in Sweden.
No, you can't find it in Sweden because no one produces them.
I know. All right, I'll have one. Thanks. They'll make it go faster. The Corvette did pretty good after I gave him some, so.
Yeah, did it?
Did you make it pass earlier?
Yeah. We did a 999, but we spun the tires a bit, so we're gonna have done some adjustments and we're gonna do one more.
Seems like a little slick for a lot of people this morning.
Yeah, we still have street tires on it, so we haven't put the slicks on yet.
Ah.
We'll do that tomorrow. Turn it up a bit.
Get a little closer to Atlanta.
Yeah, yeah, right, exactly.
What's the best pass on the wagon so far?
982.
So you're not too far off.
No, it's not too far off. It's pretty close. we don't put that much power in right now, so we're gonna do one safe pass Atlanta, and then we're just gonna give it all it has.
Yeah, I like to hear that.
Could be a low 9 or a high 8. We will think if it works. We don't know real. Should.
What's the receipt on for?
Oh, that's when we were in Grand Canyon with the car.
Oh, cool.
Bought it in San Diego
Oh, you bought it in San Diego?
last year.
Where did you build it?
In Detroit.
Oh, okay. So it's been all over the country.
Yeah. Bought it in San Diego, drove by Grand Canyon on the way back, and started building it in January.
We started up a week ago for first time.
Really? Just in time for Drag Week?
Yeah. Working around the
Completely
clock.
untested. So we just wanted to get down in the 9s. We don't really need to get an 8. If we can continue staying in the 9s, we'll be happy.
Yeah. It looks good doing it, that's for sure.
This time 836, 169 miles an hour.
You did it! Hell yes!
Finally.
Congrats!
Thanks.
897?
Yeah.
Badass.
Took all week to done that in. Got
Hey, it's perfect.
Yeah, we're not complaining.
No.
We're happy as shit.
All over the helmet and
Did it fly out?
Oh yeah. Didn't like 130, 60 foot.
we had a paper time lapse under that.
Are you serious?
Time-lapse
Just everywhere?
Yeah.
It wasn't used to that.
No.
So what'd you guys change to make it work?
Just adjust the two-step, so we
A little more boost out of the line?
have a full throttle and just drop the.
Yeah, we went a little bit more boost as well, but it's just so heat soaked, so we didn't get
Oh, yeah.
much power anyway. It's good though.
You have an 8-second Volvo wagon. I don't know if you know this.
Not everybody has that, I guess.
No. There's probably about this many. Probably not many out there.
So now we just gotta have an average for 8-second average next year.
That's a good goal. I like that.
We haven't liked it. It's all weight in it.
Yeah, you got a back seat in there.
Yeah, wiper, motors, everything.
Glass.
Nothing is cut out. The glass is all, so it's heavy. It's really heavy.
Yeah.
So if we shave some weight off, put some more power in it, get it dialed in, it's gonna be even faster, I guess.
Only a drag week.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Only with the Swedes.
Yeah.
Too perfect.
Yeah, right?
Congrats, guys.
Thanks.
So cool.
Thanks.
I'm car shopping. Yeah. I mean, the cage is kind of small. You got a footrest.
Yeah. It's not bad.
You got a got a bit of a wheel tub in your ass, but hey, other than that, it's not too bad. I'm not signing up to ride this.
No.
Not at all. Not at all.